Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off your PS5 without going ahead and pushing the power button on the PS5. The correct way to do it so that you don't have any loading problems once you go on is to go push the PS button here, and then you go down to the bottom and then go to this symbol right here, the off. Now, I know this is pretty basic, but then I'll tell you in the beginning, so you have the enter rest mode or you have to turn off PS5. But I was saying in the beginning, I didn't know how to turn it off. I didn't know what to push. There was too many buttons. So I would just go ahead and push the PS5 and I would have problems because of that. The biggest problem would be, when you want to start playing again and loading, and it's like it just got a hard turn off and then it wouldn't it wouldn't just resume smoothly. It would take longer to reload games. So I'll go ahead and put preparing to turn off and you're good. All right, quick video about how to turn off your PS5. Thanks for watching.